Role and duties of booth level officer on poll process. Disclaimer: this training material is for use in training of election officials. It should not be referred as guidelines of ECI. In case of any variance in this training material, the ECI guideline, rules, regulations shall prevail. In this video, we will see what are the duties and rules of BLO on poll process. First, we will see appointment, controlling and authority. Under the section 13B2 of RP Act 1950, BLOs are appointed by ERO with prior approval of DEO concerned. Section 13CC applies to BLOs also, so they function under the control and supervision of ECI. Responsibility: BLO is responsible for maintaining the updated electoral roll of the assigned party area under the control and supervision of ERO. Punishment: if BLO doesn't work properly, then he can be punished. Punishment for willful default under the section 32 of RP Act 1950. He shall be punishable with imprisonment for a term which shall not be less than 3 months, but which may extend to 2 years, and with fine. Voter slips. Voter slips are printed by DOs as per the updated electoral roll. It provides details of electors' enrollment at a given polling station. Authentication. Voter slip should be authenticated by ERO or BLO before distribution. Distribution of voter slips. Voter slips have to be distributed to the voters by visiting door to door by the concerned BLO personally 1 week before the poll day, either to the registered voter or to the adult member of the family. The BLO shall obtain the signature or thumb impression of the person to whom the voter slip is delivered as an acknowledgement. The BLAs of political parties, candidates' agents may accompany the BLOs during the distribution work. When booth level agents or candidates' agents accompany the BLOs, their signature shall also be obtained on the BLO register as a token of having seen the distribution process to the genuine voters. The bulk distribution of the voter slips shall not be done by the BLOs. Preparation of ASDR list. At the time of distribution of voter slip, the BLO will come to know that some voter slips have been left behind with him. It is possible that these voter slips might be of those voters who are absent, shifted, duplicate or repeated. All undistributed photo voter slip shall be returned by the BLO to the concerned ERO, who shall keep the same in the sealed cover under safe custody. No further distribution of photo voter slip would be done after the same are returned to the ERO. BLO will prepare the 2 copies of an alphabetical list of such voters and hand over it to the returning officer or district election officer of the respective constituencies. Use of ASDR list. The returning officer or DO will hand over this list to the presiding officer of the respective polling station. And now, the presiding officer will act as per the instruction of the commission. Poll day. On the poll day, BLO should be present outside the polling station with the electoral roll for convenience to the voters. PWD voters. BLO will visit the PWD voters and inform them about the facilities available in the polling station. BLO will also motivate these voters to cast the vote on poll day. Booth app. BLO will also use the Booth app. They have to download and install Booth app. Log in Booth app using mobile number and OTP. They have to check device compatibility. They have to scan every voter who come to the polling station. Enter the Q token number, that is QTN number, at the back of the QR code based photo voter slip. Ensure data sync to server using view status screen. Sector officers. BLO will accompany sector officers during their visit to the polling stations and will provide necessary help. Absentee voters. Absentee voter means a class of persons as may be notified by the ECI. They may include senior citizens above 80 years of age, persons with disabilities and flagged in the electoral roll, COVID-19 suspect or affected persons, any other persons as directed by the ECI for postal ballot, and special directions for BLO for providing Form 12D to such voters. BLO will visit to the houses of the concerned electors as provided by the RO in the polling station area and deliver Form 12D to the concerned electors. If an elector is not available, he will share his contact details and revisit to collect Form 12D within 5 days of the notification. The elector may or may not opt for postal ballot in the acknowledgement attached with the Form 12D. If he or she opts for postal ballot, then the BLO will collect the filled-in Form 12D from the house of the elector within 5 days of the notification and deposit it with the returning officer forthwith. BLO shall deposit all the acknowledgement forms with the RO along with all Form 12D. Sector officer shall supervise it under the overall supervision of RO. In this video, we have seen what are the duties and rules of BLO on poll process. If you have any doubt or want any clarification, then you can contact through the mail as shown on the screen. For other videos on rules and regulations, you can visit the web address as shown on the screen. Thank you.